Yo, welcome back. Let's keep working on the UI. So, the next thing we're going to add in is going to be health. And I'm going to give you two ways of making health. We're going to do one that's like Spelunky style, which is basically the same thing as we have, but instead of a coin, we're going to have the health. And then we're going to make an actual health bar. So, let's get right into it. And to begin, we need to go to our UI. Game UI, and we're gonna we can just duplicate these things. Let's duplicate the coin counter. Duplicate, and we're gonna rename this to health, just like that. Sorry. And we're gonna grab the health, and we're gonna put it somewhere there. Now, to be sure that this is in, let's double click it, and we're gonna change from health counter to not health counter, coin counter to health, just like that. And we're gonna press OK, apply. Right. So we're not using a grid on this one, so this is not snapping to anything. So how do we make this the same as this? Well, we click this, or we just hover over it, and it says X 112, which is left and right, and Y is 61. So to make this the same level, or rather, to make this the same level as this, we change the Y to 61. And we can just press down, and you see the Y is going up by 1. Or we can press Shift, hold down Shift, and then press down, and it goes by 5. So 55, 60, and then let go Shift, 61. So now this is 61, this is 61. As you can tell, it's the same level, just like that. That's a way of doing minor adjustments. So now we have this one called health. That's what we called it, right? So this doesn't conflict with anything else. Let's actually rename this to like health counter. See, I had it right the first time. Like my brain was saying health counter. Right, so we got that. Now we're going to duplicate the UI coin. Duplicate. And we're going to call this UI health. Like that. We're going to double click it. We're going to go up here and say edit with Piskel. And now we're going to choose a reddish color. That is fine. Click the paint bucket. And now click on the yellow part. Not on the outside, because otherwise we're going to make all the outside go red. We just want to change the yellow to red, just like that. And now, before we click save, instead of overwrite here in the corner, because when you duplicate an asset or an object, you're basically using the same image twice. So if you change one, you're going to change both of them. So to make this not happen, we need to change the overwrite here in the corner to new. All right, this way it's going to make a new object, a new animation. And we click save. There you go. Yellow went to red. Click apply. And now we have a yellow coin and red health. So we're going to drag and drop the health there to the corner. And we're going to do the same thing. So let me zoom in so I can actually see it. 58. What's this one? 39 on the Y. So let's change this to Y39. 35, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. Now we just need to make it more even, like next to health. That is fine. We could be more precise with this, but this is fine for now. There you go. That is good enough. Now, how do we make? Let's first of all let's test it. Let's go to our game. Click preview. Oh, we didn't put it in the yes, bugger. We didn't put it in the right layer, did we? Did we, boys? No, we did not. So click, hold shift, click the health. So we select both of them, or you can just like do the usual, like select everything like that. And now where it says layer, from base layer to UI. Now it's in the right layer. And now it should work. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. Now we got the coins and we got health. So health is really far apart from the coins. Let's make that a bit closer. All right, let's change the thing that says coin counter. And we're going to change the text to, let's imagine we have 999 coins. And apply. There you go. That way we have, let's make one more. All right, let's go crazy in case there's some exploit in our game and you get a bunch of coins. So let's say that's the maximum. And for the health, we're going to do the same thing. Let's imagine we have 99 health. We don't want any more. Okay, 100. In case we do percentage. In case we go like, actually, I want 100%. So I'm going to do the same thing. Like click, hold shift, click again to select both of them. Now I can let go of shift, or better yet, hold shift, click, and drag. No, this does not work. It's click, hold shift, and drag. Yes. That's how you do it. So when you have stuff selected, you click, hold, then press shift and hold. And now if you drag back and forward, it stays in that line, right? Now it's snapping to position. See, it's neatly right there, smacked in. And let's put it there-ish. That is good. So now we got coins and we got health. Also, you can just do this manually, right? Just drag and drop manually, whatever it is you want. Let's preview. Yeah, that looks nicer. So how do we make the health count the actual health of our character? We're going to do exactly the same as we did for the gold coin. Let's close this. No, not that one. This one. So the gold coin, where is it? Gold coin. We did this. Now we're going to do exactly the same, but for health. So, and we're going to add it here. Because it's player health. So copy. Paste. Where are we going to put it? Like under controls. Or above it. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. So let's do player health. We already have the player up there, so we can do health. Just like that. Now we're going to add an event. And we're going to copy paste down here. We're going to drag up there. And we're going to do that. This is all the stuff you're used to, right? And we're going to copy paste the text event, the action, and we're going to put it there. Sorry, scratching my eye. Now we're going to change, instead of coin counter, we're going to change the text object health counter. Health counter. And we're going to set it to, instead of gold coin, we're going to use the variable. How do we do object variables again? An object variable, I think you need to start by making the object. So player dot variable. Yes, variable. Yeah, it's already explaining underneath, right? Variable, and then you open, right? Let's say open object variable and then close. Okay, so we open, and the object variable is health, and then we close. You try to do an expression. Do we need to put it under quotes? No. Where did I mess up? You try to do an expression that returns a number. Ah, okay. So this is a number and it's freaking out because this is a text object and we want to do a variable with a number. And sometimes it just do this. Sometimes it's just like it lets you. I'm going to press enter. Right? So this one is a number variable and it didn't complain at all. This one is also a number, but it is complaining. This is just things of GDevelop. So how do we make a number be accepted in a text? Well, we use an expression called toString. Let's see. ToString. And then I think we need to open parentheses and close at the end. Yes. So what we're doing, the toString, string basically means text. So what we're saying is change this to string or to text. Or better yet, we're going to change to text to string, open parentheses, and we're going to put the thing that we need to change to text, and then we close the parentheses at the end. Right? If this is too confusing, it's okay. Just copy this. Just pause the video and go like, just type it in. And again, as you do more and more and more of this, you'll get used to it. Let's press enter. And now it's yellow. Now it says it's okay. Why is this a thing? Don't ask me. I didn't make GDevelop. This one's fine to just put a number, to just put a variable. This one is not for some reason. This is okay. So let's press preview. And shebang. We got 5. 5 health, 0 coins. But now, same issue with the coins. If you get hit, yep, it is not updating. Why is it not updating? Well, it's not updating because we need to update the text. So we're going to copy this. No, this is the coin. Sorry. We're going to copy the health counter, the text. And now every time we get hit, we need to update the text. So where did we taking damage? That's why. See? It's already coming in handy having all these groups because you're like, okay, I want to change the thing when I take damage. Where is it? Probably on the thing that says taking damage. Right. So when we take damage, set the boolean, subtract 1 from player, and then, so after we subtract, we update the text saying the new health. And that's it. Don't need to change anything else. Now let's see if it works. So we start the game, we have 5 health. Now here comes the enemy. And 3, 2, 1, bang. Now there's an issue there. Why was the first hit 2? Should only be 1, right? Because we're only subtracting 1. But the first hit took 2 away. Let's see if we figure it out. So if the player is not falling, and the player is in collision with enemy, if the Boolean value of the variable damaged of object player is false, then we set this to true. Huh. So this is supposed to be working. So why is it subtracting twice? Did I mess up somewhere? Did I put this twice somewhere? Huh. Bit of a conundrum. And why is it only the first hit that like messes up with the whole thing? Let's test this again. So 4, 3, 2, 1, bang. Wait, am I tripping? Did it work the other time? And I was just like not realizing it? No, because you went straight to 3, right? No, 3, 2, 1. Did I just have like a massive brain fart? I think I did. I don't know. I need to review the footage. For whatever reason, this seemed wrong. Enemy? Oh, we killed the enemy. Oh my god. Sorry. I think my brain is broken right now. Let's try with this guy. So we have 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you get away. It's working. All right. I'll review to see if I was just having a little brain fart or whatever. Right. So, anyways, we got a health counter. It's working as intended, apparently. 3, 2, yeah, it is. All right, I'll make sure that I didn't just see things, but that sometimes it happens, right? You don't realize what you're seeing, and you're like, oh, wait, what? All right, anyways, got a health counter. We got a coin counter. Our UI is coming along. Next episode, we'll do the health bar. Right? Let's just do one more time. Just, I swear, I saw it like jump from like 5 to 3, but no. No, no, no. I was saying things. No, it is okay. Everything's working the way it's intended. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then bang. Dead. Okay. Cool. Next episode, health bar. Till then, peace out.